Coventry, UK City of Culture 2021 Community Connectors. A blue map of Coventry zooms in on Foes Hill in the northeast next to a photo of Boyanka Bobeva. Boyanka speaks to camera, responding to a series of on-screen questions.
Hello, my name is Boyanka. I'm from Bulgaria. So this is Bulgarian flag, white, green and red. So this is Bulgaria, the map of Bulgaria. I'm with long brown hair, with brown eyes, and I wear glasses. So I'm in traditional Bulgarian costume. I'd like to perform Bulgarian community.
Blue text on a white background. Tell us about the community you support.
So I'm Boyanka and I'm a long-term tutor of Bulgarian and Russian languages in Lingua Mundi at Coventry University. And also I'm a head teacher of Saturday Bulgarian school Vasil Levski at Coventry. I live in Binley, but we are a small but very tight and well-established community in Coventry. We attend and participate regularly in the events we organize. It doesn't matter if one of Bulgarian or related to a Bulgarian, British or other nationality with interest in Bulgarian culture, language and traditions. We celebrate together national and international holidays, including religious and historic dates. We spend time together to talk, laugh, cook, dance, paint, create. So most of Saturdays we dedicate ourselves to work on different projects and ideas. The Bulgarian community in Coventry launched successfully the biggest project so far, opening of Bulgarian primary school in Coventry. From the beginning, it rolled out with 30 pupils, being either from Bulgarian or mixed origin and nationality. Devoted teachers teach Bulgarian language and literature, history, geography, traditional dances, music and arts.
Why did you want to be a part of the Community Connectors program?
I would like to be a part of the Community Connector program because I'm passionate about our traditions, our customs, and I would like to perform and to reach more people who will be interested in our traditions, customs, and Bulgarian language. And I would like to share our different projects with other communities in Coventry.
What are you hoping to achieve by being on this program?
I enjoy meeting new people and interested in making our community even better place for all of us. The community has been in place in the last few years and the culture project is a great motivation. This year we have many new people in the community and there will be enthusiasm and new ideas to treasure and rediscover our Bulgarian heritage.
What is something you have learnt by being on this program?
So as a teacher, I work in a classroom, and as a community connector, I have learned a lot of new skills. For example, how to manage a project and how to connect people from different ages, from different groups, from different nationalities, from different projects.
What does Coventry mean to you?
Coventry is city of culture. Coventry is opportunities for me to teach Bulgarian. Coventry is variety of events. Coventry are different nationalities working together and living together. Coventry is review. Coventry is young people and their prospects for better future and for all of us.
To find out more about the Coventry Community Connectors program, visit coventry2021.co.uk/community-connectors. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, where we'll be posting more about our Community Connectors throughout early 2021. Produced by Coventry 2021 with 64 million artists and the National Lottery Community Fund.